Line up and wait runway 27 left, Air India 152. London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 481 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. London Heathrow Tower, Juliet Alpha 1233 flight of 2, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. Lufthansa 481 Heavy, your number 2. Air India 152, wind 040 at 4, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Air India 152. Line up and wait runway 27 left, Lufthansa 481 Heavy. Stand by, Somon Air 2002. Pattern.
1000.
Swift 9224 Zulu, wind 050 at 5, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Swift 9224 Zulu.
$500.
On upon 107 Heavy,
400.
hold position.
$300. $200. $100. 50. 30. 20. Retard. Retard.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Global 23 November Alpha Heavy.
Global 23 November Alpha Heavy, line up and wait runway 27 right.
Line up and wait runway 27 right, Global 23 November Alpha Heavy.
Victor Tango Sierra Kilo Yankee Heavy, wind 050 at 5, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Victor Tango Sierra Kilo Yankee Heavy.
7 Quebec Tango Quebec Quebec Heavy, is on final runway 27 left.